Use the new asset library to give your distributors and team members access to all your lifestyle shots, photography, brand logos, and other elements when creating lookbooks, flyers, and presentations. To upload your assets, you'll visit the new dashboard at supplier.zoomcatalog.com and navigate over to Library. Here's where you're going to be able to manage and upload new images. You can click Upload Assets and find them on your computer. You can upload one at a time or select multiple. Once these are uploaded, you'll see by default that they are set to the permission only you. What that means is only you will be able to see and access these images when creating designs. However, since we are working to put a library together for distributors or the team, you'll go ahead and switch the permissions. I selected these three, click Set Permission, and choose the group that I'd like to have them shared with, in this case, public. You can also edit other settings here, such as categorizing them as logos and images. You can also individually edit these and delete them as needed. So you can come in here and manage your assets anytime you need. Once you've uploaded your assets, anybody coming into your studio will now be able to enhance their designs using them. I have a blank canvas set up here. You can see I have area for an image and I have two products below. When I click to add an image, I can either upload my own image or select one from Unsplash. But with the new asset library, I can also navigate over to Shared Library and see all the images available from this specific supplier. So you can see those three images I just uploaded are here, and I can quickly pop them into my design. So now your distributors and your team members can use these images to enhance their designs, regardless of if they're creating a lookbook, catalog, presentation, or flyer. You can also use the permissions to ensure that if there's certain brand images or distributor logos, that they are only available to your team members that you've invited into the tool. So go ahead and get your assets uploaded into the new asset library. Allow your distributors and your team members to make their designs even better. And if you have any questions, shoot us an email at hello@zoomcatalog.com.